Hi everyone, my name is Afuye-Joshua. Um, I'm not really a fan of cheese, so I did some research and decided to do my presentation on Pule cheese. Pule cheese is a Serbian cheese. It kind of tastes like Manchego cheese. That's like a combination of nutty and earthy flavors, and it also has a crumbly texture. There's only one place in the world, apparently, that makes this kind of cheese, and it's a farm in Serbia's Zasavika. Serbian cheese, there was a problem with. It took a while for the production of Pule cheese because the milk is from donkey, and donkey milk does not have casein. So what the farm decided to do was have 60% donkey milk and 40% goat milk, which is what we now have as Pule cheese. The first step in in the production of Pule cheese is milk collection. Pule cheese is exclusively from the milk of Balkan donkeys, and each donkey produces around 1 liter of milk per day, and it takes about 25 liters of milk to make 1 kilogram of Pule cheese, which is why it's very expensive. And that is why it's not commonly seen in or used day to day. It's not commonly bought in the market, basically, because it's yeah. The second step in the production is heating the milk. The milk is carefully heated to about 40 degrees Celsius, and this is because heating the milk at a low temperature ensures that the milk's flavor and the nutritional content remains intact. And this is very important for for Pule's subtle taste, the cheese taste. The temperature is very critical because it preserves the milk's delicate proteins and nutritional properties too. Third step is coagulation. A coagulant is introduced into the milk to encourage the formation of curds. We all know rennet and animal rennet is widely used as a coagulant, but for Pule cheese, we use a plant-based or a microbial coagulant. And this is because the choice of coagulant influences the final texture and the flavor of the Pule cheese. And Pule's ethical taste is as a result of the kind of coagulant that is used, which is the plant-based or microbial coagulant. The fourth step in the production is curd formation. After adding the coagulant, the milk begins to coagulate, forming curds. And this step could take several hours as the curds slowly form. This stage is very important because it's the reason for the uniqueness of Pule's cheese, which is the crumbly texture. In the next step, we allow the curds to sit and let the whey drain out naturally. In the following step, the drain curds are hand shaped into small rounds or blocks. And this manual hand shaping is important because Pule cheese is traditionally made into small batches because it's expensive. And it allows cheese makers to be able to control the texture and the consistency of each piece of cheese. The next step is drying and aging. The hand-shaped cheese is placed on drying racks and left to air dry for several weeks. During this time, the cheese firms up and give its the unique mild and earthy flavor. Pule cheese is aged for at least a couple of months compared to stronger cheese like blue cheese. The aging process, the duration is shorter than other cheeses like blue cheese. The last step in this production process is packaging. Because just one farm produces Pule cheese, it is typically sold in very small quantities due to its rarity, and it is often packaged in airtight containers to preserve its freshness and flavor.